Hi everybody, I have designed this kind of head protection gear holders, and it's meant to be used this PVC A4 clear plastic sheets. I'm using 2-hole punch which has 80mm difference in the hose, and you just put it in my punch to the minimum setting and press. You get 2 holes, then you turn it around and there's your gear ready to be installed. So the holder is made from 5mm thick clear acrylic sheets, and it has this kind of sharp edges, so it will go easier through the plastic. And here you have this holder shape, so installing process is quite simple. You just put it here, press, it will snap and go through. And there's your set ready to be installed. You can cut with scissors this little bit around because it's much more better to be used like that. These are meant to be used so you can push it over your forehead and you're ready to go. You can also install it like this normally, so that's one way. You can put here some softening rubber if it pushes your forehead too much, or if it happens to be loose you can put rubber band here, but I tried to design so that you don't need the rubber band and the stiffness is correct. Here you have some hose which can let the hot air go out and it won't get so foggy on the lens. Thanks for watching and stay safe.